That's why I say manners and respect to you guys, you know. And this is a little update. We are going with bag of things. We are pumpkin in the ground. We have more pop chow. We reap out the first reaping of pop chow was the other day.
Work the farm and keep the food coming.
Hey,
keep it coming, coming.
Well, I don't know, you give it to one. No, we are cut him. Yeah. I'm going to talk it in a video now. We are working on a what do you call it now? A single. Yeah. One and darker in a combination. People want to look out for. We're not going to give them too much one.
Work the ground now and keep the food coming. Yeah. Coming.
More food. Come in, Miss Shibo. Come get them piece of it, show.
Me say me, nah go down there. Nah go down there. Nah go down there. And declare nah
where
go
down
there. Down there. Nah go down there.
Nah go down on Manuel Road. How about that?
Bang, bang, bang.
Yeah?
You know you can't run.
Yeah.
Bang, 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 bang.
Yeah. Blessed day, my people. Welcome back to another video. Yeah, man. They're on the farm this morning. Actually around midday now. You know what I mean? Yeah, to midday. Whole heap of showers of rain this morning. Blessings. And you see the sun is out now in all its glory. Yeah, man. God has been good so far. I tell you, say, my go on. People showers of blessings to one. Yeah. One, make sure to take up some pumpkin this morning, yeah.
Maybe go.
Dig up some from this one.
Right, so I bring them go plant.
Yes, man. Weather.
Yes, people.
But it's gonna be a rainy Christmas, you know?
Well,
yeah.
Whatever weather come our way, we have to just ride with it, you know?
Yeah, man. Because we've been from a couple 6-7 months where we have some sun, you know. So if we get the rain now, we have to give thanks, you know?
Most definitely.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. So we are going up on the field now.
Yeah, man. We are head up.
So we are going.
Yeah, we are going to look what we are and
yeah,
move around as usual, right. Multitask. Yeah, man. People, I'm going to tell you the land nice now with water. Let's go and look at that. Yeah. Come on, farm still looking wonderful. Look over someone. Cross over the mountain there. Yeah. And if you get overcast, we can't expect rain to rain again, you know. Can't expect more rain. Yeah. One can't expect more rain. One time I try to walk yesterday. Yes, my people, just want to say manners and respect to you guys, you know. What like, what share, what comment. Yeah, for all who just subscribe to the channel, welcome to the Darker Shades Farming Video Production family. With me and one in a million. Yeah, man. You're tired to come over here, you know. See what about a slide?
Man, my head fat now feel so hungry.
Yeah.
You
still have to push it, you know. Yeah, man. So you go more, you know, people. Like the other day when Jamie Fox and our cousin is up on the field and come for work, do some work with me, and you know, you never feel so 100. Yeah, so we take a day that we never do too much. Break till the next day. Yeah, man, I will do a portion of work, as you can see in your video there. But you guys see me post there. Yeah, man. No, actually, we never do a video that day. No, we never do a video that day, you know. Yeah, so we are going to show you guys now. Let me just remember. You know what? I mean, I said the day when Jamie done the sick out there.
Yeah.
I say the following day we never I want to back me try put on, you know, I'm gonna drop off. We never get a chance to do a video. But we do some work. Yeah, man. dig some hole. Dig out, you go see what I'm go over there. I will make another bed. Yeah man, Jamie Foxx did do a little but he never saw 100.
So well,
so the day after that now people,
after.
yeah, it was 95 or so. So we put in some work and finish off. We want to finish off over on that side. We're going to show you how we're going. And I to use this device I want to have here, so. Yeah, yeah man, we just rig up something quick and fast, you know. Yeah, it's no rain. Yeah man, we get this device here. If we do some weeding, she said, we are bending our back too much. See one are bending, see me are bending and we are ball for back and all these things. So we have that device, me I use it from yesterday, my people, me I tell you, say, wow. Yes, but it's like how it wet now. Maybe you have a problem. It's too soaked or too soaked now. You have some water. So maybe we have a problem using it. When it says she want to get it a go, I'll show you guys what I start though. Yeah, man, but anything before I go there?
No, but we're going up, man, so I walk and talk.
Walk and talk? I know you all want to get over here if you blow a little still, because yeah, heal the people. Yeah, that's why more, you know, for you guys come and visit the farm, you know, and get the experience to walk over that hill. Yeah, man. And feel what we are talking about. Yep. Yeah, man, see over here, so now. Over here, so don't dig off. You see it? Oh, we have a little section right over here, so but most of you guys will see it from before, see it, you know. Well, dig off and thing. Right, sister, so. But see this section that we do with the device that we want it to have, man. Look at that, do some cleaning. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. Look at that, man. Reach right up there, so. One just says she want to see if she can use it tonight. Maybe you can use it that one. Might be.
I think that's right.
Right, saggy, look at that. Clean, people, nice. Cabbage jam looking good to me. I'll go show you guys too. Oh. Yeah, show you guys what I'm going over there, but chickens one it here, so. Look good now. Looking good, my people. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna bother destroy the pumpkin here, cause a nice piece of pumpkin, you know. Yes, I'm gonna whip around it and thing. Get down that tree, they cut up it, you know, cut up fully, but cut off some of the limb them and stuff.
Right.
Yeah.
So I have 3 pumpkins here.
Yeah, well, we have to pick out of the pumpkin, you know.
Right.
Yeah, we're not sure nothing with people that put them to use, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah, man. Yeah, somewhere you put them? I have enough place to put them, man.
I'll just plant it. Yeah, man.
But I'm not telling a lie. Cabbage look good over there, one.
Right. So, once I get them water, and you give them the spray and you leave them. Well, I don't know nothing about cabbage, but they look good. They look good.
And the first time.
It look good.
And they look good for true, I'm not telling a lie, them look good. But one thing we say, we don't see them start fall. You know, cabbage will fall up. Yeah.
Look how cabbage then
does. Yeah, so I tell over so saggy, man, maybe. Oh. Yep.
Looking beautiful.
I look out for a video coming soon where I say I will sell more callaloo and more and the pop chow. Yeah man, and the pop chow. Some of them looking lovely up there, so the pop chow them. Some of them not so powerful, some powerful. But we are working where we get car. Giving thanks.
Stage by stage. Yeah. And everything will come.
And everything we plan one time.
Look at those one right at the top.
Yeah, huge.
Look, yeah.
I look on the set here.
Yeah, so then we come stage by stage.
Yeah man. I'm going to walk around and show you guys what I'm going on. We're going to dig out the trench up at top there so too. Right. Yeah, so one it I'll go and test that. Yeah. Yeah, she said she not 100. We know so 100. Because we've been putting some work with people, you know. So you have to rest your body some of the time and go at it again. Because one body up, you know, we have to take care of it, don't we? Yeah, so look at this. Ooh, sweet! This is what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Yes, man. Yeah, people, so yesterday we started this. I want to start it back today. But we can't start it back because it's saggy. The rain fall and soak the earth. It don't really soak. And I can't tell me I walk my shoes, water boot I take up. mud. But yeah, start there. Yep, so we want to continue, go straight up there so and take the bend. And we want to put our next one up top this as well. But we have to give the earth a little time for soak down. I have to dry out some of the moisture out of the earth, but look over on that side. Yes guys, so I want to go and do that. I run go up so I'll show you guys the next set of color load them. Yeah, my body feel tired today, so as you she say, I go easy today, you know. Matter of fact, just do some editing and just try to get some rest, you know. No, but look at them. Wow. See them? Yep. Come on, look up this. Wow. Sweet. Yeah, man. Coming on perfectly, my people. Yeah, coming on nicely. I'll come over here so I can show you. Yeah, I got this one. Yep. Nice. Wind up, that's so beautiful as well. Yeah, over here, so now we are say, man, sometimes you have to just build back, you know, people and recuperate. Come and tell you, say, wow. Yeah, because over here is a lot of work. Over here, so, wow, start dig some hole. As a matter of fact, all up this side as well. Drop in some plants, so we have over there, so Lego planting all along the hillside, yeah. You know, and we still have potato, you know. The potato from that crop, and if you spray it, see something about the leaf and stuff. Yeah, we keep a patch right. The man come right up and we have some there so as well. So, as always, we're not a joke thing with people. We are farm up the land. You know what I mean? That's the plan. As I say down this side, can't wait for them burst up. And you guys have seen here, I set up the arbor also. Now we stick them right in at the string of the thing. And that's the strength we need. Yeah man, for execute it, but beautiful. And the farm is looking good. Look at it. Yeah man, overcast again. Yeah. I get some rain again, you know. I get some rain now, man. See a breeze start pick up over there. Yeah?
Some rain another, you know. This rain I carry right back into February, March.
Wow, yeah, breeze are cool. Ooh.
Yeah, cool.
Wow, look at the trees, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, hear the rumbling?
Rain.
Yeah.
So we have to plant every little thing where we can get for plant, you know, because, you know, the weather nice. But then again, at the same time, you know, so not everything love the water. Too much water, rather. But you still have to put in every little thing, because at the end of the day, you know, say, you can reap where you can accumulate some funds, and that's what we need right now. So, you know, some people might say, boy, the rain are come and, you know, when we should have take some rest, you still have to depend on the farm same way. But hard-working people, you know, you don't know when you have aims and dreams.
Yeah.
You have to accumulate or you know, get certain things out of the way. You have to just push it. In spite, sometimes you're not even want to go, but you know, everything just keep on piling up. And I flush over. Yeah, but we have to
rest the body, man. One body, you know. Yeah, and tomorrow is another day, and then another day and another day. So
it's a cycle, you know.
It's a cycle, and we have to do the right thing.
Yeah, man, it's a cycle. Well, we just there going oversee and I
Yeah,
look
but
what
thing look good where we going with yesterday. I look
yeah,
on it
man,
and I say,
all the trench.
yeah, the trench we can start dig over there,
Trench where
people.
we start.
Yeah.
I tell you, man, it take muscles.
Yeah, man, I'm on to Jamie Foxx and the boy come and people in never 100 that hear me explain.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, like, flow did that catch him, so you know. Yeah, man, and they come like they have him, you know, for a while to give him some medication and thing and get something to eat and you know what I mean, some juice and all that
yeah,
up
man,
again. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man,
Well,
but
breeze are cool. Oh. Yeah, breeze are blowing nice. Yes, sir. So, people, yeah, man, just stick and stay. We just want to say manners and respect to you guys. You know, we can't stop saying manners and respect to you guys who are like, who are share, who are comment. Do remember to subscribe, my people. We're trying to grow from where we are now to where we want to go. Food security, farm out the land, food is the stuff of life. Yes, I. So, you don't know, you know. If you sure no want to go on. So, stick and stay, and the video continue another day. Yeah, man, you know the thing of peace, love, joy, and happiness. We arrest the body today, you know what I mean? Manners and respect to all of you guys, as I always say, coming from the bottom of our heart. Yeah, man, give thanks.
yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright, my people. Yeah, people, so I plant out there. Pumpkin, them. 3 pumpkin sucker, yeah. So they look healthy and fat. Yeah, man, say no, say. Good quality pumpkin. And these pumpkin are from the backyard. Pumpkin. Yeah, man, so, you know, there are some good quality pumpkin. Yeah, so. Once alright, so she'll do the damage, you know. There you go, man. Oh, you plant all of them? Okay, one there.
Let's put 2 in here.
Oh, 2 of them. Beautiful. Nice. Yes, sir.
Let's put the other one like that.
Brothers and sisters.
Yeah. There you go.
Yes, man.
Right.
Yep.
See what happened.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Alright. Soil feel nice.
You feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really moist. You know my
Right. It's like how the rain come now. And the rain loosen the soil. Best time to plant anything right now. Right.
People on the corner, them are going good, you know?
Yeah.
Look on them two, man. Look on them two. That's all. Look at these. Yep. Yes, sir. One. How see this burst up to you now? What is again?
The cucumber.
The cucumber? How? Oh, yes, people. Oh, my. Boy, what? It's we are going hard from our time. We have to remember so we'll drop some cucumber in this section, you know. We are planting on the ground, we are planting in a harbour. Here we are planting up the land as well here. We say. So look at this again. Yes, nice.
Where they?
Oh man, the corn. Yeah, man. Beautiful. Yep. Nice. Yeah, we see that, people. Two or so. And the corn them.
As you go along, you will see them a bust up.
Yeah, man, the corn them a bust up.
Everybody now go bust up one.
All of them corn over there so bust up, man.
Right.
Yeah, man. Sister P, big up yourself.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man. Yes, man. It's a great look. It's a great look.
Over here, so now, one just keep at a low level. We are trying to maintain it as best as possible. Hi, people.
Yeah. Yeah, I just tell them over there, so the work. All heap of work, you know? Nevertheless, yeah. Push on through. Yep. God, them sweet. Yeah, man, that's why I see them come up perfectly. Yep. Yeah, my people, so that is it, you know. And that is it. Yeah, just a little video I show you guys what I go on the farm, you know. A little of this, a little of that, you know. Keep you guys in tune, up to date. Yes. Blessed day, my people. Yeah, man. Blessed afternoon, I should say, you know. Yeah, man. Welcome to all of you guys who are like, what share, what comment. Food security, farm up the land, that's the plan. And it's a blessing, my people. Be a rain. Did a plan to make a video like later in the day, but now get the chance because it's raining, so it's slow down work. So we come down. See rain come back down, we can come down, come shelter down at the house. And now we are head up back just to show you guys where we did go on with for the past days and so forth. Just want to say manners and respect to all of you guys. For all new subscribers, welcome to the farming family. With me and one in a million. Yeah. So with the day at work, me, Juanita and Jamie. And we did have Auntie Claire to come by and Michelle and then there now. But it's raining from them reach, so we just there so we walk and show you guys what I go on the farm, so I head up here now. And sit them up here so them look right beanie. Yeah. Yeah, so them look right beanie.
You see them? You can't reach them. You can't reach them.
Nice.
Oh my God! Lovely.
On the tree and eat right bean.
And rain wash them already.
That sound like you want the sour man. Something going with that one there.
Something wrong with that one. Come on, take one my one.
Yes, that's how you always are finding the right one.
You can't catch the big one, the pretty one.
Yeah, that one alright.
Yeah, man. Just a little to show you guys, a little video to show you guys how the pop show them coming out. We go and sell some pop show last week, Sunday, but people, it's been a challenging because I was supposed to get a car and I did never get the car. Oh, what if something going on? Can't even explain how I want to. What if something going on, so we cut out and we sell, you know, in the community of Albia Mountain. I say, manners and respect to everybody who purchased Callaloo pop chow from us. Blessed love. Yes, my people, so yeah, man, we'll soon hear from Juanita in a bit. Yeah, she keep on the side there. Look at that. Look at that. Soon make a walk up there, show you guys. But see Juanita down the side there. You know, see no one?
Beautiful. Yes, people, we did have the crew and
your crew come and rain, then come and show us a blessing.
Yeah, come and show us a blessing so we can't do any work.
Yeah, but we are there this morning, go on still.
Yeah, man, we did a push off a lot of work this morning.
So show them nice people.
Yes, man.
Yeah, we just had to walk to show you guys, you know.
Yeah. Jamie Dan, bring up yourself every time.
Jamie fuck, don't done up a man thing. Yeah.
One done, man.
Yes, people. Well, I tell us that we did do a whole heap of work this morning.
Yeah, so we have to look, people.
Yeah.
Be a pumpkin, you know, and can and sing, you know.
Right.
Yes,
right.
yes. And look at this already. Look at that already.
Alright.
Yep.
Yes, man, and more did that, you know.
Yeah.
More is there, so one more there right there, so.
Yep, yeah, man, right there.
Yeah, but I was on this side. We were this morning. And I tell you, pop try them.
You feel like so put that back over?
Okay. It needs sunlight.
Okay.
Pumpkin them here, so.
Yeah, people will plant out some, you know, see them here? And we plant out some all over there, so coming to your one, plant out all over there, so I'm going to show you them in a bit, because this is a video about update. Yeah, we don't see no one.
Yeah. This is our task we did want to do this morning, where we take the pumpkin from the pumpkin bed and put it over on that side.
But from yesterday we've been a plant pumpkin along that side. We'll show them.
That section and
fill it over there. So. And we full this one row go down. But over there, so people, over there, so clear me. I go over there in a bit. Over there, so we want to put these rest of pumpkin.
Yeah, but you know, the rain has come down right about now, people.
Yeah. But people, it's raining for over a couple days now, you know. Like it rained today, tomorrow it rain. It rain in the evening now as I rain right through. It's perfect, me I tell you, nice.
Yeah, man, but the thing is though, you know, you can't guarantee when the rain is going to come, because
that is it.
You know, the weatherman might predict say no rain tomorrow, and tomorrow you come to do a task and the rain come.
Okay.
So you know.
Yeah, I want to show them over the pan here, so. And down this side there. Yeah, down this side there some people. Now come to the one. We have the harbour we start build already, and we plant out the cucumbers already. So I just run the card now, go down. Yeah, so we want 1, 2, 3, 4 row worth of cucumbers going down, so you guys will see that. Over here, so we'll leave 1, 2, and the other one over there, so for the pop chai. Yeah man, for the pop chai, we see we soap there, so. Yes. And over here, so people there, so we clear, clean. Yeah man. Well, I get a phone call.
Give thanks for everything. Everyone.
Mother call me. Yeah, mommy. Yes, my people, so. That was my mom give me a shot. Look at it. Clear, nice. Over here said nice, and we up top there, so as well me I said before. But it's a good look, man. It's a good look. Yeah, man, I'm over on this side now. I'm just around here. I can show you quick. Over on this side, I put some plant and sucker. My plant at the side there, clear way. Look at him and look on the pan. Right, look on the farm, people. Beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. And over here, so me I show you say pumpkin. Now we have a pumpkin here. We have pumpkin all off here, so a pumpkin. Yeah, and the rain come down harder, you know. Rain come down harder. Just a plant up the land, people. Yeah, the rain come down here now. Yeah. What I say?
Well, rain come down.
Go over, so go.
Yeah, rain come down.
Show them what going, but.
Yeah, rain, the weather people. You come back. So you know, say. You see, Aki we did all want to pick some Aki and mats up, so.
And then I drop out my spoiled, you know. Yeah.
Why? Well, some of it spoil.
Why people the workforce come today but no work.
Patch of pumpkin here, Addy.
The evidence will show it telling you say the land, the land it is here and you can plant anything on it and it come. Yeah, so this is the evidence to show you say pumpkin, once you plant pumpkin on this, you'll get some good sized pumpkin, people.
You have to plant the seed, just drop.
Alright.
Right.
Yeah man, so sister said the pumpkin this are the showcase patch.
Showcase patch.
Yeah man.
That's when the mom make a house XT man. They make a one thing, so it look like.
Yeah people, so as we say we want to show you know. Yeah, I'm planting out the pumpkin seed, I want to go over here so we show you, but I go run in the rain, go show them the cabbage, the pop chow, and all the callaloo. Look, yeah, everybody take for themselves. You have to watch a pumpkin there. Alright, so I'm going to look what I go on there, so I take a wet up in the rain to show you guys. We clean out the road them as you can see. You know, Jamie Fox, man after Jamie Fox again. Come through. You know, callaloo looking good. Yeah man, pop chow them nice and people. Yeah. As we hear when I say from when I come up my slide. Yeah man, we are go sell. Ooh! We go sell Sunday. Wow, amazing. Man has a respect to Albion Mountain people. Masonal people, Port Morica, we go down to the town of Port Morica people. Hopefully one of them there you go see we sell some callaloo or pop chow from out of Port Morica town. But it was a wonderful experience and feeling. Yeah man, and come up nice. As you can see we clean the area. Oh, look at that. That just dropped off of the tree. Yeah, soursop just. Find a soursop one. Just drop off. Okay. sir, you have to go look. I'm after me not see no more. But find a nice house up here. Just drop off of the tree. Yeah, my people, but looking good. Yeah, man. Looking good, looking good. I just have to go wait until the rain ease up and so. I get to show you guys where I'm going. But we are come out of the rain now because the rain did catch you up here earlier. And I want to do a video today. Actually, I start one as you can see now. So I just want to say manners and respect to you guys who are like, who are share, who are comment. Do remember food security. Do remember farm up the land. That's the plan. 2023 and beyond. Yeah man, food is the stuff of life. Yeah. Where? When chop himself?
So I never chop out that.
People are going with the fox, man. The man then 100 over there, then he come back 95. Jaja. Jaja, man, chop up his foot again. People didn't just chop his foot one day, you know. Same feet sitting and crawl pan and chop it. And the man chop himself again.
I chop the stick right there, so and it just bounce and lick him, see him.
Alright, one thing I want to say, because we want to update and show them what going on, you know, but we get a little glimpse of what's going on. Farm looking good and
yes,
thing,
man,
and we get the blessings now.
We're getting the rain right about now. So you know, so we can't do any work, so we have to come out of the rain, people. Yeah. I want to thank you so much for watching. It's just a little update, guys, on what we're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's a great look.
Yes, man.
And it is, may I tell you, prosperous.
Yeah, I want to go. Me and someone going up here saying one.
Now, Jamie cut the wrong thing. Jamie mind the day, man.
How shall you cut?
I guess we need to cut.
Alright, bust it off, see me now.
Huh?
Yeah, man, cut it, see me now. You can't eat plant feet.
I don't know what your father put there.
Yeah. You sure say your foot are hard hand, man?
Yeah, you know, say, that, me see, you know, say, I never have to put my shit a while ago.
Oh, yeah.
If it's a stump in there, we have just stumps and chop the stump out the eye guns.
Yeah. Alright, peeps. Yeah. Well, listen to me.
Yeah, man. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah, people, we're on our way to 19K now. Get with there, get with there.
Yes. We really want to get to the 19K and beyond. You know, because the sky is the limit, and we're working assiduously, people. We're working hard to get to it and to show you what we are doing here in Jamaica on our farm, Thompson Town to be exact, you know, in St. Mary.
Jamaica!
Any farmer out there who really want us to come and, you know, showcase their farm and to let the world know the struggles that they're having, feel free to call us. Feel free to call Darker Shades. Feel free to call 1876 457 0092 or 1876 369 73.
You know, people, me go fix that. It's not 369, it's 368 73 79. So yeah. Yeah, my people, just want some manners and respect. Keep on watching the channel. All our new and loyal and faithful subscriber from then till now. Blessed love. Do remember food security, farm up the land. That's the plan. 2023 and beyond. Food is the stuff of life. Yes, man. Yeah, man. I want, sir. Next video again, we are giving a full. Yeah, I'm not gonna move so fast. I take my time and show you guys what I go on. Yeah, they yam them from them time there. Yeah, people. So take your time.
I tell people so much things to be done, man.
They yam them. Nice. So many things to do, but we get them done, my people, as well. We say nothing beat a trial but a failure, you know. And we make it happen. Can't say Auntie Claire and Michelle. That's where I go on with them. I come the one. Auntie Claire and Michelle say them look right beanie, you know. Them people when they see the right beanie tree, they're obsessed with it. They're not left, you know. Rain, sun or shine.
Yeah, because you can't afford to wait.
Yeah, see there? And the place with him bag. Cocoa leaf in
Cocoa leaf.
Java, you know.
No have no bag. I have to
Cocoa
use
leaf.
cocoa leaf. Yeah, the rain has spoiled them.
Yeah, me surprised. Them hold up so long to throw the roll if a rain will fall. Check send the beat off already.
I guess them one here are the one them were ripe after.
Yeah. The tree, I remember your tree in a ripe when we did a pick off that one.
The
down
good
there.
thing about it is that you still have young ones on it.
Yeah.
So even though this crop gone, another crop will come soon.
Yep.
Yeah. That's how blessed the country is.
So them a look right beanie.
Jamaica, land we love.
Yes sir.
Now left Jamaica, sweet Jamaica. Does Jamaica no right being a tree we love?
Yes sir, right beanie tree.
Now left it. Sweet Ribena, now left it.
Yeah.
Ribena tree we love.
Alright, me go come out of rain, you know.
Yeah, we're coming out, man.
Okay. Yeah, me know not forget to the right beanie. Yes, my people, them a pick some ribena. As well, we say them come to help us out today. Plant us some of them pumpkin there. Cause we been a plant. So over there, I want to show you guys the arbor. Couldn't get to show you guys the arbor how me a build. Yeah, I have a key and all of that, but we're not gonna see what I'm going forward, you know. Alright.
Feel like I could eat green plantain and cook up saltfish.
So you go, you're going to match up.
Yeah.
Okay, so people, that for dinner. Green plantain and some cook up saltfish with tomato and all that stuff.
Yeah, that makes me feel fun, man.
Yeah guys, just to make a little video. I'm glad I go up there to show you guys what's popping, what we're all about, you know. Nice, beautiful, nice plant.
Yes man, so you see, it's good to plant because if my name plant, I couldn't come cut from planting.
Sure.
Right. Yeah, so these here now, these here are going to suck from this one. So in 2-3 months time, you can pluck out these.
Oh.
Right. So you would leave now. While people, as fast as you clean
weed
up the walk, it just grow back.
Oh.
Alright, here we go now. This one has to come out, or you can leave these two and pluck out all the rest. Yeah, so you're setting back the field.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Setting back the field. Big up Father West from out of Canada. Yeah, man.
Every time.
Blessed soul, you know what I mean? Yeah, my brother. You know what I go.
You know, there's a lot of our subscribers, you know, who I really want to big up, but you know, definitely there's a one darker shades. Just hold it down. But you know, Miss Noreen, Miss Noreen and the family, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Miss Debbie. Miss Debbie, big up yourself.
Why people are all heap, you know?
Yeah, man. Those people say me can't mention their name. Miss Ivy, Miss Hillary. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself every time. Yeah, man. Miss Pauline, and Miss Blossom from Upper England. Big up yourself. You know, we really respect your guys calling us and you know, encouraging us. May I look down the center people car. And that it coming like me see I had a goat eat off a couple finger down there, so. But nevertheless, still, you know, I want to big up all of our subscribers all over the world. We do really appreciate you guys watching. We can't thank you enough for watching and sharing our video. This is just a little update, guys. You know, every day we're up on the farm except on Saturday. You know, Saturday is our worship day. You know, big up to all those persons who go on Sabbath, who go to church on Sunday. You know, enough love and respect to you guys. So we are gonna come out of the rain because you know, say if we don't come out of the rain, you know, say it's gonna cost us money.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so definitely we are gonna cross over there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Manners and respect again, you know, as well we say. Little updaters here, Juanita says, as well you hear me, I've been and say it in the video. Yeah, keep the comments coming. I saw your comments. I saw your comments. Darker shades you're talking too much, give Juanita a chance to talk. It's all good, it's all good. Keep the comments coming, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah, yeah. And people, farm look good, you know. Yeah, man.
Work the farm and keep the food coming.
Hey,
keep
hey.
it coming, coming,
Hold on,
coming.
no, you give it to hold on, no?
Oh,
Easy yourself.
no,
Hold on.
no.
I thought people, I cut him for you, man. I cut him. You know how we cut him? Yeah. I'm going to talk it in a video now.
What
We are working on a what do you call it now? A single.
Yeah.
One and darker in a combination. People want to look out for. We not give them too much one.
Work the food, no one, no. Work the ground, no one. Keep the food coming,
Yeah.
coming, coming.
More food. I say go.
You are taking one out.
Yeah, but people don't have to look good same way, you know. Yeah, man, you want to say manners and respect. You so wet up. Just want to say manners and respect to you guys, you know. And this is a little update. We are going with bag of things. We are pumpkin on the ground. We have more pop chow. We reap out the first reaping of pop chow was the other day. But we never get a chance to make a video. I have put some clip in this video just showing the pretty lovely pop chow them we pick. Or pluck out, I should say. Yeah, man, I'm going to show you one dress up figure up on the road. I'm going to show you how my 4-wheel drive because I get a Ford. I say F1, I know F-150 when I Tundra them.
Yeah.
Toyota Tundra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, one orange Toyota Tundra people. A 3-wheel you have doing, you know. Yeah.
one wheel, man.
A 1 wheel and then you have a 2 for balance on the back. The stand them 2 stand.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah man, now we go up on the road and we go on the bag of things. Man, I respect to Albion Mountain and Masonal community who reach out, and Portmore took a go down to the town of Portmore and go on with a bag of thing down there again with people. It was amazing. Yeah, it was amazing. And I book up on Sunrise and then purchase no callaloo from me still, but it's all good. Yeah. Big up yourself. Yeah man, but another time, you know, see me make a quick run in the town, you know. Yeah, end up on a quick run around through the town, you know. Yeah man, you know the thing of my brother. Manners and respect. But as always say people, stick and stay and look out for the next video. Next one kitchen is gonna be another banger. You know what I mean? Yeah man.
Bang, bang.
What you say?
Bang, bang, bang.
Yeah?
You know you can't run.
Yeah.
Bang, 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 bang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come in, Michelle. Bo. Come get them piece of it, show.
Me say me, nah go down there, nah go down there, nah go down there, and declare nah
Where you
go
nah
down
go?
there, down there, nah go down there.
Now go down on Manuel Road. Put on your plan, we want to plan a long time.
Hey,
Right, people? Okay.
I mean,
And you have one cocoa leaf full. How about that? People, Michelle, I run from the frog. Jump! You see my jump? Marco. How where if I run go? If frog alright, frog not to see you. Michelle see the frog and I run up and down. Yeah.